Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ramanda Reza Apiawa, and I will be your tour guide for this tourism trip to Gelanggang Olahraga Sidoarjo. But before that, Gelanggang Olahraga Sidoarjo is located in Jalan Pahlawan. If you know Taman Pinang Sidoarjo and that roundabout, there is a Gelanggang Olahraga Sidoarjo right there on the right side. If you just go straight and turn left, there is a gate called Gelora Gelanggang Olahraga Sidoarjo. So moving on to the key points of the tourism places. First of all, we are going to explore Gelanggang Olahraga swimming pool, or Kolam Renang Gor Sidoarjo. It is an international swimming pool for international events. It has many types of swimming pool, and usually it has a snack bar, and there is a lot of facilities in there. The second one is Gedung Olahraga Sidoarjo. Gedung Olahraga Sidoarjo is a old building, and it's now used for the Deltras FC headquarters. Or if you don't know what is Deltras FC is a local football club in Sidoarjo that plays for Sidoarjo, and it is very professional. The third and last location is the running arena, or the running course. It is a public running course that used for running and skating. There is also a fourth one, but this location is being used for occasional private events right now, so I can get inside. But this street is called Gor Sidoarjo. Gor Sidoarjo is a very large place, and it takes all the events of soccer, maybe badminton, all exercise related events it's been there. Okay, without further ado, let's go to the place. So we just parked our car here in front of the Gor swimming pool. You can see like that. It's called Gor swimming pool because it is established by the government of Sidoarjo. You can see there is a certificate of Gelanggang Olahraga. It is officially established, and you can see this is the door for the employees. And this swimming pool is used for international events in some occasions. One of them is Porprov. Porprov is a swimming pool event that has a lot of participants from around the world. Also, you can see that this pool is renovated a lot. Don't excuse me for the sound. There is a event behind me. There's a lot of people, and the swimming pool has a lot of variant. First of all is the 2.5 depth, or the deep pool, and the second one is the kiddie pool, or the not so deep pool. It is 0.5 meters, I believe, and there are many people, but not today, that come to this pool because there is an event there, and usually this pool is crowded when there is an event. But overall, this pool has a lot of visitors. Our second destination would be there, the arena badminton right there. Also the Deltras Sidoarjo's soccer FC base. Let's go there. Okay, now we are at the next destination, which is Gedung Olahraga, or usually this means Gedung Badminton. Before that is because using it for badminton. You can see there are a lot of food stalls and drink stalls. You can grab a food with cheap price, a very cheap price for the food and drinks. The food is all around the stadium, and there are a lot of doors. let's see one by one for the doors. So we are in front of the Gelora Olahraga Sidoarjo arena, or the badminton arena. You can see there are a lot of pintu masuk. This is also officially the base of Delta Mania. For you don't know, Delta Mania is a football club, a local football club from Sidoarjo. It is second to Persebaya, because Persebaya is in Surabaya and Deltras is in Sidoarjo. You can see the building is all around this, and there's a lot of people like this. There's buildings. There's also the secretariat. There is a digital printing right here. Look, see, there's a digital printing, and there's many more of the building. You can see we cannot enter there because it is a restricted area. This place opens on specific times and specific events. Okay, there's a lot to uncover. You can see. Look, there are food stalls right there. Also, there's a lot of food. You can check a lot of food in there. If you're hungry, or you can go to the back and get some food and drinks. You see, that's the gate E. There are six or five gates from A to F in this arena. Look, there are more food stalls right there. There's more food and drinks variation if you want to buy more food and drinks. And coming across, well, there it is. You see, many more. See, there is the Secretariat Olahraga, or Disporapar, in Sidoarjo. This is where we manage the events of exercise in the city. And we come to an end of this location. See, we can see this is our final walk here. Now we are going to go to the arena, for I can show you the specific. You can see this is Peringatan Hari Disability internationally by Jatim. You can see that's a lot of people here attending this event. So this event is for junior, high school and college students, I believe. Look, there are some college students right there. So there are many people selling stuff. Look, the arena is stretched all the way right there. It has many things. It's all the way stretched like there. You can see people usually to go roller skating and running. It's very entertaining and it's very good for if you want to exercise at a cheap price. You can see there's a lot of people. There is a musola right there if you want to pray, and there's the office right there for the Department of Exercise in Sidoarjo. Unfortunately, we can't go to the other side, or the Gelanggang Gor Sidoarjo, because there is an event that is private and restricted, not open for the public. So I'm going to finish this tour about here, and there is a lot of things. you can see there's many things. Before we end the tour, I would like to see there's a lot of food and there's a lot of drinks right there. So that concludes our tourism trip to Gelora Delta Sidoarjo and the base of Deltras right there. And if you like to give thoughts about this tourism place or give a review, please comment on what part of the tourist attraction which will attract you most, because there is still many, because like I mentioned before, there is a core stadium, but it is close to a private event and I'm not invited, of course. So yeah, let me know what are your thoughts about Gelanggang Olahraga Sidoarjo, and thank you for watching my tourism trip, or tourism, I say, being a tour guide, and I see you next time. Thank you.